TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 25. You get the Nasdaq off 21. S&Ps are down 6. Gold contracts trading down $3.10 at $12.4360. The bottom of that strength that it's going into is $12.40. So that's a big number to keep your eye on here. Silver's trading down 12 cents, $16.37 an ounce. You get platinum down $3 at $9.21 an ounce. Copper's getting whacked out here. That's down almost 3.5 pennies, $2.55 a pound. Light sweet crude broke lower with volume, wide price spread. You're down $1.26, $42.94 a barrel. Now, notes and bonds, they just continue to want higher price. What you had last week, they go higher, have the price spread, have the volume, both confirmed ABC structures on the way up. Yesterday you pull back with lighter volume. This morning you pull back with lighter volume. You've already rejected lower price. Right now we have the 10-year up 1 tick, 126.22. 30-year up 15 ticks, 157.04. They both are going for higher price once again, lower yield. When we go take a look at the 10-year, the 10-year right now is trading out at a yield of 2.17. So bottom line is that these rates want to stay low regardless of what the Federal Reserve has done on the short-term end of the curve. King Dollar's up 151 ticks, trading at 97.415. Now, King Dollar did finally made it into the downdraft from the May 18th area. We'll see whether it can make it to the swing point, which is at 97,700 area. You're going up there. You got light volume today. It doesn't look like it's actually going to make it, but we'll see how the day unfolds. You have the euro trading at 111 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.61 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. What you have happening is that you had the test out here yesterday. Bottom line, the SPY was testing the highs that was generated out here on the 9th, which is 245.01, as well as the 14th, which is a 244.87. Anemic volume. We got up there with the 65 million shares going into 78 million as well as 132 million. Now, today's going to be a big day. The reason being is this. It's very subtle. You're pulling back slightly. Bottom line, if we're going to go lower, you'll see an expansion of volume out here today. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that's when you can get some action in the summer trading. And this will be subtle out here today, and we'll see whether we get, and you're going to need more than 65 million on the way down. That's how this is shaking out. Right now, you're at 5.6 million. Look at the Dow Industrials. Dow hit another all-time high yesterday. Dow is basically still at these all-time highs. You're only down $16. The composite, Nasdaq composite, the composite is going into the downdraft that had been created out there a week ago Friday. Composite also, you get a close under 62.37, and right now we're at 62.16. You're going to be looking for an expansion of volume there also, if in fact we're going to go into lower price. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Gold contract right now is testing the 1240 area. What you have is this out here this morning. We came down to the price point of 1242.70. The sign of strength that was out here from the 17th is 1240 flat. Thus far, bottom line, hasn't caught a bid. We'll see if we catch a bid. It's coming into that area with lighter volume, but guess what? You need a bid. We need a bid into it. The gold contract, in order to get into higher price, we'll have to get all the way up to the 1259 once again. And notes and bonds, they continue to say they want higher price, lower yield. The note market went down to 126.11 today. Right now at 126.16. It's in the higher range. It wants to make this run for the 128 area. 30-year, same setup inside the 30-year. 30 out here this morning made it down to 155.09. Now you're at 156.01. That was quite a move. Bottom line, it's almost a full point move. Bottom line, this wants to get up and over the highs. And if we go over to the dollar index right now is trading up 151 ticks. You get 16,000 contracts. The number to keep your eye on there is 97.480. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.